Hi there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start realizing to have you bring more customers to your business by access your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. Just getting through, I like that you have a click to call phone number here that truly helps with quick conversions. You have nice pictures and content. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and number of keywords on a homepage. A keyword is anything someone may type in Google, look for a particular product or service. So in your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people search for you. How your pictures can be considered a content, so I recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and inserted your website into a tool we call Ahrefs. It just gives us a basic analytical view of our site. One thing that we look at is your UR and your DR. That means the power and the trust that you have in Google. Anything between 30 and 40 is considered a strong site. So if it's on the lower end and you realize some of these tips, it will help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 91 backlinks coming from 45 referring domains or websites. A backlink is when you find one website linked to another via link or text. These links act like an endorsement of your site from others, which Google to be trusting your business by seeing others vouching for you. Currently, you index for 122 keywords and get about 40 history websites a month. So let's take a look at your keywords. People search for a business name in particular, and they're great local by intent keywords, and those are the kind of the ones that you inquire about. The local by intent keywords tell the location and the service that you provide in those locations, so you can clearly realize them for any location that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and I typed the mechanic in your area in Google, and I see what you call the map pack in your area, and down here it's what you call the organic listings. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's just because the top 3 search on Google result page receives 75% of the clicks. In other words, if your business appears near the top of the results, it's more likely that a researcher interacts with your business by clicking on your URL, dial your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there are the citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per Google Business Profile. Those are then placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They also have their click to call phone number, images, and content. I inserted them into the same tool. They are getting 217 clicks to their website a month. They have 172 backlinks coming from 42 referring domains. In the long run, you want to match them and beat them for at least 100. Let's take a look at their keywords. They have a bit of local by intent keywords, and they're all keywords can analyze in different areas that you service to. In conclusion, there's a higher percent of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be in those top sites. Now, implement this strategy. A few ways you can start claiming Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hear from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and thanks for watching.